Here's how you build compounds using the building compounds assignment. Each slide is the same pretty much. Every one of them includes these orbs at the top, and these represent individual atoms. And then the bottom of the slide has the name of the compound. This is oxalic acid, and then the chemical formula. This is the types of elements that are in the compound and then the number of atoms for each. So this is H2C2O4, which means that there are two H's, which is two hydrogens, two C's, the two is two C's, that's two carbons, and then four O's. So there's four oxygens. So the first thing I have to do is decide, and it really doesn't matter which color I decide to use, decide which one will represent which. So for my hydrogens, I'm going to use these little red guys. So I'll click it, and I'll go Control-C, Control-V, Control-V. I did Control-V twice, so I have two. So I got my two hydrogens. Now I need two carbons. I'm going to use this gray one here. I'll highlight that, and go Control-C, Control-V, Control-V, and grab these guys and pull them down here. And then for my oxygens, I want four, and let's use this one right here. And I'll go Control-C, and I'll go Control-V once, twice, three, four times. So now I have four oxygens. So these are the elements and the number of atoms that I need for each. Four oxygens, two carbons, and two hydrogens. But we want to organize these in the way that they're actually really organized in the chemical. So to do that, I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to look up oxalic acid structure. So go here, and I'll go oxalic acid structure. And that's going to give me a bunch of stuff, but one thing is this right here. So this is how it's organized. So it's got these C's kind of besides each other. So these are my carbons, so we'll kind of put them kind of touching like that. Those, and then I've got one O up here, like that. Then I've got an O and an H over on this side. So an O and an H over like that. And then I've got an O down over here, the bottom of this guy here. And then an O and an H over here, by this one here. So put these like this. And now one of the things I can do, if I want to, I can move this guy here to the front. So I just basically right-click and go Order, and then go Bring to Front. Oops, wrong one. That one. Right-click, Order, Bring to Front, and that puts him in the front. And I'll leave this guy in the back. I'll put this guy behind the carbon, so I'll right-click, Order, Send to Back. And then I want to move this whole thing away from this. So this is really easy. I just make a box and to touch everything that I want to move. That highlights everything. And then I can move it up and kind of center it. And so there's my oxalic acid compound. All done. Pretty easy. I think you guys can do it too.